Maya practicing tummy time.
Lisa, Ben, John, Jason, all my love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mia.
And now let's take a look at original screenplay.
Mia.
Here are the nominees.
You got the hiccups?
Lauren Singer and David O. Russell for American Hustle. Woody Allen for The Blue Jasmine. Craig Horton and Melissa Wallach for Dallas Buyers Club. Mike Jones for Her. Ron Nelson for Nebraska.
Kicking those little feet.